In this guide, we will focus on the tip about how to wipe your private data from your iPad before you sell it. Most users choose to restore the device to the factory setting to wipe the data. But is it really helpful? A simple data recovery program can recover them easily. To wipe iPad data permanently, you must use professional data eraser software like Coolmuster iOS Eraser. With it, you can erase all data, such as contacts, text messages, emails, account info, passwords, videos, photos, etc., from your iPad without recovery. Tips: please create a backup for your iPad data before erasing, for the program will erase all data and settings from your device permanently. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster iOS Eraser on your computer. Launch it and connect your old iPad to your computer using the Apple-provided USB cord. Once the connection is successful, your iPad will be detected by the program automatically. Then please click the Erase button to move on. Step 2. The program offers 3 different levels of data erasing for your choice: low level, medium level, and high level. Choose one as needed, then click OK. After that, click the Erase button and type Delete onto the blank as prompted, and then the program will delete all data from your iPad immediately. Step 3. After a few seconds, all data will be erased permanently from your iPad and your iPad will automatically reboot. Step 4. If you have chosen medium level or high level, the program will continue to overwrite your iPad data. After erasing data with this program, you will get a totally clean slate iPad. By taking the time to wipe data from your device before selling it, you will not only protect your private data from revealing, but also provide better experience for the next owner.